Alright guys, this is the second part of Unit 5, Section 2, and this is solving systems by substitution. Okay, so first step, we need to pick one of our equations and solve for one of our variables. I'm going to pick the second equation because x does not have a coefficient or has coefficient 1 in front of it. Alright? So to solve for x, to isolate my variable x, I need to subtract 4y from both sides. So x equals 7 minus 4y. Second step. I need to pick my second equation that I didn't use to isolate the variable and substitute in. So now I need to pick this equation. And I need to substitute in for x. So we're saying x is 7 minus 4y. Okay, step 3 is to now solve for y here. So I need to distribute. So I have 14 minus 8y plus 8y equals 14. Alright, let's combine like terms. A negative 8 plus 8 is 0. Well, 0 times y cancels out. So I have 14 equals 14. Remember when we solved equations like this? When you end up with canceling out your variables and a true statement? This is called an identity. To where you have many solutions. Okay, let's go to the next one, last one. Step 1, pick one of your equations and solve for the variable. Well, x has a coefficient 1 in it right here on this equation, so I'm going to solve for x. So I need to subtract 3y from both sides. Alright, step 2. I need to pick the second equation that I didn't use. I used this one, so now I need to use this equation. And I need to substitute in for x. Okay, let's simplify this multi-step equation. Step 3. We need to distribute. So I have 2 times 4. 2 times a negative 3y is a negative 6y. Bring down the rest of this equation. Alright, notice how my negative 6y and my positive 6y are going to cancel out again. So on the left side of the equation I have 8, and on the right side I have 9. This is not a true statement, so what this means, guys, there is no solution. If there's no solution, what this means is these two lines, when you graph them, will never intersect. Okay? So they're either skewed or they're parallel. And I believe that is it. It is. And I will see you in class tomorrow. Have a good one.